just like Philippine name is Sorikso, and this one is cream. Yes, cream soup. Yes. Oh my gosh. The bread also. This one is for Gitchi. Gitchi buffet is children buffet. Only this too. Yes. We have riba. Yes. Siberka, it's a pork chop with the sauce, yes. And also this is the other one is golonka. It's golonka, it's pork also, but this is just like the feet, the legs of the pork. This one is name is kashanka. This kashanka is just like black hot dog. Long, what is it? Black sausage. Yes, black sausage. Yes. This one is a pierogi. Yes, it's a pierogi. Bigisi. Yes, bigisi. Yeah. Kokenya, yes, Casa Couscous, yes, it's yes, like this, yes, and also Picharki, yes, Picharki, yeah, and also Soro, yes, Smolik, this tag, Ogorek, Pomidor, Kishonis, Smolik, Pomodore, Kapusti, salad, Sorobka, Kapusti, salad, mix salad, yeah. Yes, just yes.